let the sun set on your cloud ambitions. Soar into the sky and embrace the accelerating adoption of hybrid and multi-cloud. All the top organizations are embracing the cloud, and yours is likely no different. But you not only want to embrace the cloud, you want to get there as quickly as possible while protecting and keeping your valuable data safe from malicious attacks. But being on the cutting edge isn't about spending the most money. You should only pay for what you need in your journey to achieve your recovery and compliance goals. Don't forget filling your critical needs in your BCDR strategy too. You need a solution that ensures you're securely backing up and replicating to the cloud, guaranteeing long-term retention and disaster recovery readiness. If this sounds like what you need, then what you need is Veeam Backup and Replication V11. See for yourself what new heights you can reach in your cloud strategy. From AWS and Azure Backup to cost-effective object storage or backup as a service offerings, Veeam offers a wide variety of cloud choices. Take advantage of its powerful and affordable protection for cloud capabilities by downloading a free trial now.